Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to keep your work, personal, or family schedules organized, today's video is exactly what you need. In just a few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to create a new Outlook calendar. Whether you're planning meetings, events, or daily tasks, this quick guide will make your scheduling life a whole lot easier. So stick around. You don't want to miss a single step. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Enter your email address and password. Then hit sign in. If you have two-step verification enabled, make sure to complete that. It only takes a second and keeps your account secure. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook mail page. Look down at the bottom left corner and you'll see a calendar icon. Click on it. This will switch your view from email to the calendar interface, where all your scheduling magic happens. Now, on the left sidebar, find and click Add Calendar. From the menu that appears, select Create Blank Calendar. This option lets you start fresh and fully customize your new calendar to your needs. Next, give your calendar a clear, descriptive name, something like work schedule, project tracker, or family events. This helps you quickly identify which calendar is which, especially if you manage multiple ones. Before saving, you can also choose a unique color from the palette. This little touch helps you visually separate your calendars at a glance. Super helpful when juggling different schedules. Finally, click Save. And that's it. Your brand new calendar will instantly appear in the sidebar, ready for you to start adding events, meetings, and reminders. And there you have it. Your brand new Outlook calendar is all set up and ready to go. It's fast, simple, and incredibly useful for keeping your life organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more quick Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.